We'll go out of the parking lot and up 17th South Street and
Connected vehicle technology is incredibly complicated, and when you look at it, there's a base and a first step that every agency can take, and that's what we had organized with the National SPAT Challenge, the signal phase-in timing. But if we were to say it, you can boil it down to this is the first step we want every agency to take, and that's why we have brought people together to reach the goal of deploying at least 20 operational intersections by the year 2020 in all 50 states. This is a goal that's doable, and this is a goal that'll set our nation forward and put us in the right direction.
We have a lot of work to do, and that means partnering with the industry, bringing the other equipment manufacturers to the table, giving them access to the data that we have would be important, because ultimately that is where the information gets distributed to the general public. So I think the challenges are there, but the good news is the forums like the one we have today are really exploring on how to overcome these issues.
from a technical standpoint, there are 5 little packets of data that go back and forth between the bus and the intersection. The bus has GPS on it, and the bus knows where it is. And so it sends a little message called the basic safety message, the BSM, that says, here's where I am, here's how fast I'm traveling, and here's the direction I'm going. Then our software can say, okay, I know where I am, I know which lane I'm in, I know which intersection I'm approaching, I'm behind schedule. It then sends a signal request message back to the signal cabinet and says, can you give me some extra time?
The work that UDOT is doing is really very valuable for us, so that we don't have to start from scratch, but take a product that they have advanced to us considerably.
So we want to be able to take those lessons and help share it with those and get them operating faster and get them deployed faster, so that we can increase the rate of change and the rate of adoption into this new technological front.